Today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 208 different strategies, with 68 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 98 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. And we have also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March, and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you will also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. Alright, so today's source video says the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator on Tradingview, 100% profitable scalping. And so, of course, we know that no strategy and no indicator is going to be 100% profitable. You're eventually going to take some losing trades at some point. And so right off the claim is a little bit suspicious, but let's go ahead and put this to the test and see what we can get out of it, see what kind of real numbers we can get. Let's go ahead and hide those 2 indicators right there. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the buy, sell, buy Prakash E, I believe it is. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Nonetheless, it's this one right here. So you'll click on that, add it to the screen, and it will look kind of similar to this right here. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the fast period, you're going to change that to 50. The fast range, you're going to change that to 2.6. The slow period, you're going to change that to 71, and the slow range, you're going to change that to 6. And then jump into the style, and you can turn off the VWAP and the labels right here. Click that, and it should look how it is on my screen now. The next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the trend following MAs. This one right here, trend following MAs 3D. Add that to the screen, and it will look, let it load here, like this right here. So we'll go ahead and jump into the settings on this one as well. And in the inputs, the linear regression period, you're going to change that to 14. Click OK, and everything else stays the same. So what we're looking for a buy signal is a buy signal from the buy sell indicator. The one here on top, you can see the buy signal right here. When we get that buy signal, we're then going to look down to the trend following MAs indicator, and we want it to be green like it is here. When we get those there that line up, that's going to be our signal into a long trade. We'll set our trade right there. What we're going to do is we are going to put our stop just right below the last swing there, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that we make a really nice spike, getting us to our take profit pretty easily there. Alright, and for a short signal, of course, what we're looking for is the sell signal here from the buy-sell indicator. Then we're going to look down to the trend following MAs, and we want that to be red like it is here. When those two line up there, that's going to be our signal into a short trade. Set our trade right there. We're going to put our stop right above the last swing there, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so this one takes a little bit longer. We just kind of bounce around here, but then we make this nice step down, getting us to our take profit as we get this spike to the downside with this wick right here. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting it at a 46% win rate. So if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have had a total gain of $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $10,800 for a total gain of $3,000 altogether. Not too bad of a gain over, I think it was about a month and a half, 2 months, somewhere in that area. But compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 37 trades altogether, with 27 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at a 72% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $9,000 for a total gain of $7,200. So decently better profits from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals that we would have gotten from the Academy of Forex indicator. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether, 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a 71% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,200. On the crypto coin, we had 5 trades, 3 winning, 2 losing, a 60% win rate. Would have been a gain of $240. For the week, we would have been up $1,440. At the 15-week mark now, in total, we would have been up $26,080. Here's some more information on the indicator and the strategy, and here's the nice growth of the account. And so, really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator, the Academy of Forex strategy general. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list because you did make a decent little profit off of it, so not too bad of a strategy, and we'll move on to the next video from here.